Ryan Little.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the south of Spain actually, where you join me in a GT2RS with the Visac pack. I'll show you around all the other cars because we're in a convoy going on some nice mountain roads. But before that, like with all of these events, we need fuel, and we need fuel quite urgently. So I'll catch up with you in a bit. So I don't know if you can hear me properly because of the wind, but we've pulled into the petrol station now. We've got supercar one leg and a BAC mono. We've got two 720s up there. The GT2RS is actually the car I'm in the passenger seat with. Mr. 1A, who, if you remember, he had a purple GT3, which he gave me the keys to. There's a video on that on my channel. Purple seems to be the theme here today because we've got purple 570, purple there, and this is kind of a purpley pink. So yeah, next order of business is fill up and then hit some amazing mountain roads because we were taking it easy before. So now it's time to see what the GT2 is really like. So apparently, because these guys, I don't even know how to open this. What am I doing? Oh, there we go. So I'm jumping in here now with these insane drivers.
Okay, we'll start it first.
Now we've got to catch them.
I don't think that's going to be a problem, do you?
No, I really don't.
Alright, happy with the setup? Yeah, feels good, no punctures, good. Alright, let's get it into the beast mode, active aero, track mode.
Screen goes down, love that.
ESC dynamic, of course, manual. Yeah, we're in good shape. So, let's put on the pace. Power of this thing, honestly,
it's insane.
I mean, I'm just really holding off, you know. I'm short shifting at 3,500 RPM.
It's just got, it's too much power.
These just ride incredibly well.
Yeah, that's the thing, you can do the speed anywhere.
So much confidence in them. I don't know what the GT2 rides like, but I imagine it's a firmer ride than
It's firmer than this, yeah. Definitely. Because this is like the Super GT version of McLaren, isn't it?
Yeah, it's kind of, they call it the Super Series, so it's got the trick suspension. It really does work, it's beautiful. So it's a car that you can really push hard, but you feel it's looking after you all the time.
Yeah, it feels smoother already than the GT2.
You've obviously got a lifting kit. Don't really need it here.
Fill out the petrol station with supercars.
They love it in Spain.
So yeah, our second fuel fill up, and this just shows the passion for cars that people have in Spain. The woman that works in the petrol station has come out just to take a picture inside the mono. And then of course we've got the insanely fast 720 that I was just in. Porsche Carrera S's, got the GT2RS and the 570 over there. Streets.
How are you finding it in the passenger seat?
Oh, I'm coping. Time for food. Love the attention these cars get in Spain. You don't get this sort of reception anywhere else. Anyway, GT2RS. So much oversteer. So the cars are rolling out. I'm going from the GT2RS, which I was just in, to the McLaren 570S, my first time in one. Today's just a ridiculous day. Why can't I figure out McLaren doors? What's wrong with me? There we go. So we've arrived at what's probably the last fuel stop we're going to have to make, the 720. I don't know if you can see it, it's just pulling in at the back. We've got another one there, and I don't know why, but there's a girl here holding a bird of prey. Don't ask. So yeah, I'm going to end the video here before it gets too dark and we lose light. I just want to conclude and stress how impressed I am with the GT2RS and the 720S. Obviously it's from the passenger seat. I haven't been able to give you a first-person view of what it's like to drive these cars, but I just can't stress how amazing both the GT2RS and the 720S are. They're cars I'd never been in before this, and I can't believe the capabilities that they have and how different their characteristics are. And the fact we're comparing a standard Super Series McLaren to the top of the range GT2RS, the radio's about to go off. The fact we're comparing those two cars is just ridiculous in itself, because that car is not even the LT variant of it. That'll be coming out in like a year or so, so I can't imagine what that'll be like. So again, huge thanks to Mr. 1A, the owner of this car. His Instagram's linked below as always, and Club GT Events for this whole supercar run. It's been amazing, and I'm not sure it's the last thing we're doing on this trip with them, so there may or may not be another video with that. Anyway, I think that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching.